I'm getting it done. I got several tracks here, but I don't know. I might take these out. But I like the way that looks. I haven't had that before. I've never had this before. Like the train coming real close like that. Like I've never really had it before. So I kind of gonna. It's probably gonna be like this for a while. Of course, I made the car lot. I have the car lot here. You can see the train from the car lot. I can't go around there. The next goal. Well, I already got electricity from here to there. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that down there, get that curve going. I've already had the car come all the way up to here, to right here, on this track. So there we go, man. I've been running this for the last hour, or yeah, maybe 45 minutes. So this is what I've been doing. We got the club scene still going on.